Hi, this is teacher Leila Taik. Today, a new Canva hacks how to turn an image to an animated video. So today we are going to see two great tools in Canva with AI. So this is what I want here, quick tools. I go to quick tools, I click on image tool layers, and then from my gallery, so I'm going to upload this image of a beautiful beach. So I'm going to modify on it. I don't want people that they are unknown to remove them and delete them from this photo, because this is a real photo I took from by my camera. So I'm going to scan it like to when just click on magic layers as you see, and then every layer, every element in the photo is stands alone, and I'm going to remove it. And or as you see the camels, they stand alone. I'm going to move them to the right, to the left, in order to remove those people in the beach that I don't want them to show. Okay, I can make also the camels looks bigger, so I'm going to make them bigger as you see. Now select all the image and then go to the bottom, choose image tools. I'll repeat again to show you image tools from here, and then you are going to choose first, second, third, fourth and fifth image to video. Then you generate 5-second video. Look, it's fast. It is generating, scanning as you see all the image, which is static of course, and we are going to change it to a moving photo, to a video of the beach. There is action, people are swimming or jumping. So let's see. Okay, it's done. Now let's see, very beautiful. Even the birds are on the sky. So this is AI in Canva. Now let's click on those to see the view overall video. Here okay, very amazing. I like it, but still you notice that the camels are not walking, they are not moving. So there is still another hack I can share with you. So I go back to the image and I select just the camel alone because it is an element by itself. So it gave me the tool, so image to layer again, and now it is operating on the camel that is going to be moving as well, same as the background of the whole image. Good. But look, so the image is now white, the camel is walking in white. Okay, another hack again. I'm going to select it again and remove the background of the video. So here, Magic Studio BG Remover. I'm waiting for it to be removed fast. Okay, so waiting for it like to be operating or generating to turning the camel into action. Now it becomes alone in a video. Oh, see, the camel, the first camel is moving. I'm going to repeat or do the same with the second camel, and then select it and go to image to video, this one with the butterfly, and then generate for 5 seconds. Then waiting for it also to, like here it's scanning, it is operating with the AI. Amazing tool in Canva. It turns Okay, it gives magic to your videos or even to your images. Good. So it is now the second camel is moving. It is real camel. This is what you like. And then I'm going to remove the background. Okay, the second image of the camel also is done. Now it is moving. Now it is walking slowly as a real camel walking, which is good. How amazing the AI can do magic and beautiful, amazing things. So now they are both moving. Look. Oh, there is something that it is in the half. If you preview it, you see the camel disappearing, but the half of it is disappearing. Again, we can fix it by go back. This is the previewing. Look, okay, it's not that perfect. So let's make it perfect again by going back to the our design. I'm going just to move it to the side at the edge of the image like this, as though the camel is entering the scene. I'll place this first camel as well to the left, as though as I said, the two camels are moving and entering to the scene. So I preview now. Oh, amazing. So beautiful and magic, to turn a simple image to an animated, attractive video to motivate your students and bring magic also to your classroom activities. Take care for now. This is teacher Leila Taik. Bye-bye for another video hack by Canva AI Hacks. Take care.